Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I will show you how you can easily change your phone font style to any type of font you want. Maybe it is a font from your computer system or a font you downloaded from the internet and you wish to make use of it on your phone. So how can you do that? I'll be showing you in this video. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. As you can see the current font on this phone, so let's assume we roll back to the previous font and we want to change it to this font again. Here is the previous font on this phone. So to change it, you have to have the XOS launcher and visit the X theme. After that, you go to the font manager to check for the active font on this device. So as you can see, I have different type of fonts downloaded from the font manager. For this to work, you must have at least one downloaded font from the font manager of XOS launcher. The next thing to do is to locate the font you have downloaded or copy from your computer system. Note that the font extension usually comes with .ttf at the end of the file name. Locate your font and then move it to the folder called Magic Font. Inside it, there are some folder. Then paste the font inside the folder with EN. The next thing to do is to replace your own font with one of the existing fonts here. As you can see, I'm having some fonts. My own font is Arabian and I will replace it with belly.ttf. So I have to rename the belly that is existing before. I have to change the name to another name, maybe belly1, so to avoid conflict with my new font. Then the Arabian font, I will rename it to belly. Pasting your new font in this folder directly will not activate the font in the font manager unless we replace it with one of the existing font, which has been replaced successfully now. Then we go to the X theme to apply the new font. Click on X theme, then open the font manager. As you can see, the new font has been updated with the Arabian font, but the name has changed to belly. As you can see, this is an Arabian font, so I'll apply it to my phone, and that is all. The font has been updated. That is all for this video. In case if you found this video very useful, kindly click the like button, share and also subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.